How to play Candy Crush Saga. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually play Candy Crush, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Candy Crush has actually been a really popular game that has over billions and billions of downloads. And if you want to learn how to play this game, the rules are basically very simple. So to get started, all I will do is I'll just go ahead and open the Candy Crush application. And then here you can see I have reached a certain amount of level here, and I'm in level 230. So if I just tap on it and show you on how you can play it, first of all, you have to understand the rules and the mission wise. So you can see in this case it's saying super hard level, and I have to collect all the orders, so I just need to tap the play option. Now, how do you actually break chocolates? You break chocolates if there are 3 in a row or 4 in a row. So currently you can see I've got 3 blues on the right hand side, and there is 1 orange in between. What I need to do is I just need to move this blue to the bottom just like this, and the blue is going to get knocked just like that. And right over here again you can see purple. If I just swipe down from purple, the 3 are going to be come up in a row. Similarly, I can do this of 3, 4, 5 or 6 combinations. Now sometimes if you want, you can also blast these 2 chocolates right over here without having to do this. It's going to create a much more dramatic effect just like this, as you can see. If you want, again you can create another piece just like this. As I said, you just need to create 3, 4, or you just need to keep making pairs, and when you get 5, you have those chocolate bomb type of shells. So this is how you can play Candy Crush Saga. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.